Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to use the RGBA color picker in WordPress. There are several color formats you can use with the Astra theme. This tool makes it easy to create, adjust, and experiment with custom colors for the webs. Let's get started. Let me show you my web page as of now. To change the color settings, click on the Customize button. From various settings, click on the Global option. Now navigate to Colors. Navigate to the desired setting that you wish to edit and click on it to open the color picker. In my case, I want to edit the theme color. You can select the color directly from here. You can set the RGBA format like this. Once your format is set to RGBA, you can add your color by adding the color values or by dragging the picket on the color scale. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click on Publish button on the top. You can see the changes here. That's how easy it is to use the RGBA color picker in Astra theme. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.